Exhale, crawl to the right, wide leg forward fold. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, melt the head. Inhale, rise to stand. Exhale, right elbow under left, goddess pose with the legs. Inhale, re-straighten the legs, lift the arms up. Warrior 2 to the right. Inhale, right arm circles up and overhead. Exhale, fingertips down. Left hand under left shoulder, right arm to the sky. Lounging lizard, your left hip descends. Inhale, right arm up and over. Exhale, step to plank and lower. Inhale to your back bend. Exhale, downward facing dog. On an inhale, left leg lifts. Exhale, left knee circles to right elbow, then left and all the way to the sky. Square the hip off, inhale. Step the left foot through, exhale. Low lunge, inhale, back knee rests. Exhale, place the fingertips down. Inhale, right knee up. Exhale, right knee outside left foot, take a seat. Left hand behind you, inhale, right arm to the sky. Use the out breath to twist. Turn forward on an inhale, plant the fingertips, right toes back. Inhale, hips a little low. Exhale, left leg straight and fold. Re-bend the left knee, inhale. Crawl to the right, wide leg forward fold. Flat back, big breath in. Fold, big breath out. To the sky, inhale. Heels in, toes out, left elbow under right as you sit. Rise and re-straighten, inhale. Warrior 2, exhale. Reverse warrior, inhale. Fingertips down, exhale. Left arm to the sky, inhale. Lounging lizard, exhale. Hip lifts, top arm up and overhead, inhale. Step back to plank, lower slow, exhale. Up dog cobra, inhale. Down dog, exhale, just creating a meditation in motion. In that flow in yoga, what we call jala, flowing like water.